Hey folks, today we're diving into the world of soluble fiber and how it can transform your gut health. A recent 2025 study by Johns Hopkins revealed that 91% of people are getting their fiber intake wrong, leading to more gut issues. But don't worry, I'm here to share 5 secret soluble fiber foods that can heal your gut 3 times faster. Comment gut. If you've ever felt bloated after eating what you thought was a healthy meal. First up, Psyllium husk matrix. A 2025 Mayo Clinic trial showed that just 5 grams of psyllium before meals can increase short-chain fatty acid production by 89%. The golden ratio? 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk mixed with 300 milliliters of coconut water. Trust me, it works like a charm. An office worker I know mixed psyllium into her matcha and saw her IBS symptoms vanish in just 11 days. Next, we have oat beta-glucan protocol. Cambridge researchers discovered that soaking steel-cut oats for 12 hours can boost butyrate levels by 127%. Want to take it up a notch? Add 1 teaspoon of Baobab powder to your oatmeal. This combo not only fuels your gut microbes but also increases bifidobacteria by 43%. Now let's talk about chia seed hydrogel. According to MIT's 2025 findings, letting chia seeds form a gel for 15 minutes can trap 3 times more toxins. This hydrogel is like a detox superhero, binding heavy metals like lead and mercury. Dr. Rachel Wong, a gut microbiome researcher, says, "Your gut isn't broken, it's starving for smart fiber." Alright, it's time for action. Gut repair blueprint, soluble fiber timing charts, SCFA boosting recipes, a gut lining repair tracker. Smash that subscribe button. Fiber. Johns Hopkins protocols, MIT meal plans. Transform your gut into a fiber processing powerhouse. Thanks for watching, and remember, your gut deserves this upgrade. See you next time.